Welcome to JSJ Career Management System. In this video, we are going to learn about how corporate registration is done through JSJ Mitra.
So as in the last video, we have discussed in detailed manner about candidate. So today we are going to talk about corporate. Now, when you click on corporate, a dashboard arrives where you can see the things. One is business onboarded, jobs posted, students applied. In business onboarded, you can get information about how many number of company have onboarded. Whereas in job posted, you will get to know the total number of jobs posted. And in applied students, you will get the information regarding the number of students applied in jobs. Using your referral link, corporates can sign up onto the JSJ card platform.